Hello, welcome to Civil Engineering Concepts. We are going to start with the subject of Geo-technical Engineering. So here, since this is just the beginning of my channel, I'm going to tell you that we are going to start from the scratch to get the basics before we dive into the core of this subject. So we need to know some terms in order to get some idea to proceed further later. Okay, let's begin now. So we'll begin with soil mechanics. This is soil mechanics. This is termed by Carl Dazagi in 1925. He's the father of soil mechanics. So let's know what is soil. Okay, so here, soil is an unconsolidated material that has resulted from disintegration of rock by various weathering agencies like water, air, and so we can imagine it is like this. Suppose this is that a rock or a big one, so it occurs by the disintegration of rock. The soil occurs by the disintegration of this rock. Suppose these are the disintegration parts occurring from this parent rock. So, okay, this rock. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now this is the disintegration. Okay, so on weathering, and then it falls down and it settles over here. So under the weathering of rocks, when it's weathering, the process of formation of the soil is termed as pedogenesis. During weathering, and then the soil is disintegrated from this parent rock, and it falls over here. It may be, and then it undergoes like this. Look, within 5 years, and then it gets stacked and stacked. 10 years, 15 years, okay. So if it stays over here, like within the proximity of this parent rock, then it is called as a residual soil. The soil formed due to the weathering may be carried out either physically or chemically, which means the agents. If it is physically, the agents are by maybe which cause this disintegration. Maybe the agents are running water, gravity, ice, wind, etc. And if it is chemically, the agents may be causes due to oxidation, and around here carbonation or reduction. Okay. If this weathered rock material is retained over the same parent rock, the soil is termed as a residual soil. Okay, now suppose this is weathered, this is that weathered soil. If it stays within the close proximity or in the same area, it is called as a residual soil. RESIDUAL, residual soil. Okay, like this. 5 years still in the same place. 10 years it gets rise and rise. And if it is transported, then the soil is termed as transported soil. Suppose if it is transported by air, or from here transported by water, etc., it's called transported soil. Now this is just a glimpse, a bird's eye view over this beginning of our discussions. So let's see the geological cycle of formation of soil. It occurs like this. Look, it undergoes from this upheaval, which is the beginning of that parent rock. It undergoes weathering, and then the weathered soil get transported, or either it becomes a residual soil which stays in the same place, and then if it is transported, undergoes transportation, and then again it deposits into somewhere, and then again from deposition it rises above, which causes upheaval. So it undergoes cycle like this throughout. So this is just the beginning. So if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next discussion.
Thank you.